Today let's learn how to fix Messenger story not showing. You may be in a situation where none of the stories on Messenger are showing, or it's not showing for a particular person. Either way, these kind of issues caused because there is a glitch or a bug in the system. To clear out these glitches, you can try updating your app of Messenger. So open up your Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and search for Messenger. If there are any new updates, you can tap on update and updating the app. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that issue. Try updating and check if this fixes the issue. If it does not, you can now try to uninstall the app of Messenger from your phones and again reinstall it. This process also helps in clearing out glitches that might be causing the issue. Now after you do both of these things and you still can't see Messenger stories, what you can also do is try to open up the profile from the Facebook. So just search for the profile on Facebook and try to view the story from the Facebook instead of the Messenger. So those are the couple of things that you can do in order to fix Messenger stories not showing. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.